Hello, fam. How's everybody doing? Hope everyone's doing well. As for me, the old guy, I'm out here as usual doing something reckless. No, I'm just joking. Out here on my skateboard making the rounds, taking care of my chickens, just looking at what I got, what kind of work I gotta do for today. And I get asked a lot of questions about some of the trinkets and gadgets that I be playing around with, and so I figured I'd make a little short video this morning. And occasionally I'll come out and I'll make a few rounds on my electric skateboard, which is what I'm riding. And to get some good core exercise in. And I encourage you older guys that are pushing close to 60, maybe not to do what I'm doing, but to find something that's a little bit physically, keeps you physically fit. And so I'm out here doing what I do and keeping my eye on the chickens at the same time. My legs are starting to burn a little bit, but you know what? I'm pushing on because I know when the burn begins, that's when the good stuff starts happening on the inside. As I was saying earlier, a lot of people be asking me what kind of gadgets I'm wearing and what's going on. Well, I guess first and foremost, I'll start with and let me stop because I don't want to mess around and break my neck while I'm trying to record a video. Even though I have reviewed products and received affiliate commission off of links that sell the products, it hasn't been something that I do for a living. Put it that way. And I guess the first thing that I'll talk about is my electric skateboard. This is the Acedeck NYX-Z1. They have made so many other different electric skateboard models in this brand name since I got this board. And I've recently had to change out this device here, which is called the ECU, because I burned out the one that originally came with it. And I'm also thinking about changing out these motors because I'm starting to hear little clicking sounds. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, yeah. Oh, it looks like one of the screws are loose. So normally I'll go around it and grease the gears on the inside here and grease the gears on the inside of this. I've done that one time already. And make sure that the tires are in good shape. And then and this is the battery right here. And I'll just make sure everything is up to date and good. And it's about time for me to get some new bearings as well, because I've been rolling these red on the front, and I think I got red on the back too. Yeah, I'm 240 pounds, so the reds are the more solid ones. I got the white ones in there still, but I haven't tried to put them on yet because I don't know whether or not they will be a good fit for a heavier person like myself. So that is my electric skateboard. Now I'm about to go into this new era of seeing how all of these devices can integrate into my social life, and as well as turn out to be great productivity devices that I can use in my work. I'm a freelance writer, and I do a whole lot of other things as well, and content creator and video editing person. I do whatever I can to make it from day to day, because that's just the nature of what I love to do and where I'm comfortable at and working. And these doozies that are on my face, these are the Meta Vanguard glasses. I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but these glasses they're basically like having a PDA assistant, a personal digital assistant on your face. And you can see I got sweat all over them. But I've played around with these Meta glasses, and once again, disclaimer, I'm not promoting the sale of these glasses or encouraging anybody to go out and get them. They're pretty expensive, but these Meta glasses, I can speak to them, control them by speaking, and tell them to take photos, take videos. I can ask questions because it's connected to an application on my phone. That whenever it's on, it just got access to, be able to feedback information to me from search results. I can even post photos and videos on my Facebook channel as well as my Instagram, because the two are connected basically. But I wanted to explore these glasses, for the sake of my daughter, because my daughter is blind, and I wanted to see if they could aid her in doing some tasks around the house or her day-to-day activity that would help her. And these glasses, man, I've kind of stretched them to the limit. I've done quite a few things, and they've turned out to be pretty helpful. Especially whenever I was using both of my hands out here doing stuff in the yard, and I would ask the glasses, specific questions about tasks that I was working on, and I was able to get good information. I asked it to search up the various things that I was trying to purchase in order to complete projects in the yard, and they were awesome. They were awesome in giving me good feedback to do such things. And I noticed that a lot of people use them for stuff like vibes and stuff like that, to create all of these amazing AI looking apps and things of that nature. I don't knock any of that, but that's not my cup of tea. I try to get things that would aid me in productivity activities that that can help me complete my day-to-day tasks in a more quicker and efficient manner without having to stop and do a whole lot of research and different things like that. And so these Meta Vanguard Oakley glasses have been pretty good with helping me to do that. Hey Meta, resume music that I was playing. So isn't that pretty cool? So there are a lot of little things that I can do hands-free, and you probably saw the camera that I was holding too, which is another thing that I'm often asked about. And the camera that I'm actually holding right now is the Insta360 Go 3S, and it's basically a little small camera that's ready to go as soon as you hit the button. It has a display screen that pops up. In fact, rather than talking about it, I think I can video the camera that's videoing me. Isn't that cool? So all I have to do is just hit this button here. And as you can see, and now I'm recording from the Meta Vanguards, Oakley Meta Vanguards. But as I was saying, this is the Insta360 Go 3S camera, and it basically, I ordered mine basically inside of a little package that include all these little extra things that it's connected to. It's a magnetic mount that it's connected to here that detaches and locks in once you reattach it. The camera itself, let me see. Yep, here's the lock button here. I can take the little small camera out of the inside, and then it becomes a recording device. This is what I'm doing my video for today on. I have quite a few other cameras as well, and it also has a magnetic clip that I can put around my neck. Well, a magnetic necklace that I can put around my neck, and with a little circular magnet on it that goes down underneath your clothes, and you can just snap it right on your shirt or on your. And then it also comes with a clip where you can put it right on the edge of your hat. So it is a neat device for on-the-go options whenever you're out and about taking action shots. And you guys probably noticed that I do a lot of moto vlogging on my electric moped as well as my scooters. And so it's a neat camera to have on the go and to be doing things with. So those were my 3 gadgets for today that are actually on my person. And needless to say, I guess I might as well mention one more gadget, which is my new phone. Because to me, it is like phenomenal. I absolutely love this phone. This is the Galaxy Fold Z7. I think it's the Z7. Yes, the Z7. And this baby opens up into a tablet. And this has been phenomenal on helping me to see things with my somewhat, close up bad vision. It's not completely bad, but I do need a little bit of aid or assistance to see close-up items now. And this is a shot of it through the Insta360 Go S, and I guess I might as well do so with my Meta Vanguards here. So, and phone right here, it pretty much, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory when it comes to all the other Samsung phones. So that's 4 of my devices. Until the next time, you guys have a good one. Peace out.